Gianna. I'm sorry I couldn't go there, but I missed playing with you. Happy birthday. Hey Gianna, happy birthday Gianna. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday Gianna. Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Yay, 7. Do you want a burger? Which burger do you want?
Yeah, love you.
Love you.
Hi, cutie patootie. Happy 7th birthday, Gianna. I wish you nothing but good health and enjoy your day. I love you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Jana. Musta kayo amin? God bless. Happy birthday, nanin. Musta kayo amin kita.
Hi! Kumusta dyan ang happy birthday? Kumusta nading mo? Nalulam, papam, mamam, nangkel mo. Sapay kumata. Naragsak kay ngagnanayon. Ngawan ti dumdumdum. Ngarigat ti bagiyo. Sapay kuma nasalon at kayo ngawan inggana ada po kumaapo at tatarabayan na kayo na po oras sa dintayan nyo nakakidim apo.
Kagit ka. Mulagit ka.
Gianna, happy birthday, Ate Gianna. Happy birthday, Ate Gianna. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, Ate.
I love you.
I love you.
Happy 7th birthday, Ading Gianna. I love you.
Happy 7th birthday, Ading Gianna. I love you.
Ayan, happy birthday. See you soon.
Hi Ana, happy birthday. 7th birthday mo na basang. I love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi Yana, happy 7th birthday. Wishing you a day full of fun, laughter, and all your favorite things. I really wish I could be there with you to celebrate, but you're just a bit too far. Hope to see you soon and give you a big birthday hug. Once again, happy birthday Yana.
Happy 7th birthday, Vivi Gianna. I'm wishing you a birthday that's full of love and happiness. Hug, hug, and kisses. God bless.
Happy birthday, Gianna.
Always be a good girl.
See you soon. I love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Ate Gianna. Happy 7th birthday. I love you.